Hello everyone, this is Miss Yvonne. Remember when I showed you some different things on Friday and told you that back in George Washington's time, people wrote letters and closed up envelopes and sent mail a lot differently than we do today? I just wanted to show you a video of what that would have been like. I had a fun wax sealing set that was given to me as a present. So here's a few examples of some things that people would have used back in George Washington's time, just maybe a little bit different from what he would have had. These little things that you see over here that probably look like video game controllers are sealers. So they have different symbols on them, like right here. This is the letter I for Miss Yvonne. Some people would have used it to put their signature or their family crest on an envelope, so people who were getting the letters would have known it was from them. And I have a few other decorative ones, like this one has a flower on it, and this one has a heart on it. They kind of look like the stamps that we've been using in class. This thing over here that looks like a candle, well, this is the wax that I use when I want to close up a letter. And they would have used something like this back in Washington's time. But like I said, maybe they look a little bit different. And here's the wick. And I have a candle burning over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to light up the wick. And you have to be very careful with doing this. And I'm going to let the wax drip down and melt. And let's see. It's going to melt and drip down onto the envelope, and I'm going to make a little pool of wax that it's going to be big enough, and for me to use one of my seals and stamp the letter I for Miss Yvonne, so that way the person who's getting this envelope knows it's from me. And I have my address on the other side, of course, but I do like to use these stamps. And this is actually going to be a birthday card for my sister. Her birthday is coming up. And she even gave me some of these sets for my birthday in the past. Okay, so I think that's going to be enough wax for now. I'm going to blow this out like I'm blowing out a birthday candle. And I'm going to take my letter I stamp and then press it onto that melted wax. Press it down a little bit. And then you can see my letter I right there. So that's how they would have closed up a letter back in George Washington's time. And that's how I like to do it today. And there are also other people who like to do this. So it hasn't completely gone out of style. I hope you thought this was pretty cool and fun, and I hope we continue to have such a great time learning about history in class. Bye!